You hear the sound of that? That's the sound of 90 days investment paying off. Most people think you need hectares of land for you to cultivate watermelon. So today I'm going to show you simple ways, little tips on how to grow watermelon even in your backyard. So you don't just plant seeds from watermelon that you buy and you eat. For business, you need F1 hybrid seed, first filial generation seeds. I will recommend varieties like Kaolack, and we have also Augusta. Now, why am I recommending this? They are bred from a particular gene called sugar baby. They are sweet, they have tough skin. So tough skin is vital, as you know. It means that they won't crack during transportation from farm to the market. So these qualities are vital for your products at the end of the day, since you are looking at it from a business perspective. So yes, but you need a big home for it. You need, like, if possible, a 50-liter drum or a very large bag to grow watermelons. They have very deep roots, so that's the reason. It needs 60% soil, 40% organic matter to be able to achieve the right soil environment for the watermelons to grow. You can allow the vines to crawl out of the containers and spread around your balconies, yard, or you can have stocks for them. And also very, very important, once the fruits begin to form, make sure they sit on the cardboard paper or it sits on the nest. This is very, very helpful so that the fruit does not sit on damp ground and begin to rot. So watermelons are sensitive. Now here is a chemical roadmap that I will recommend. For your herbicides, look at a very good pre-emergence herbicide. There are quite a lot of them that are available in the market. Agro-Shield being produced by so many companies. These are part of the pre-emergence herbicide you can use for watermelon. This will help to keep the grass down immediately you plant, and if you are in containers, you can just do hand weeding. That's just the best. For insecticides or pesticides, understand that beetle and aphids, they love watermelon leaves. So you can use insecticides such as lambda cyhalothrin or cypermethrin 10% emulsifiable concentrate. This will help you to take control beetles and aphids. But please also make sure you spray early in the morning. This is because we need bees. Bees are very, very important for pollination. We don't want those agrochemicals begin to affect them. So as much as possible, spray early in the morning as contact pesticides. For fungicides, understand that watermelons are prone to downy mildew. Because of this, use copper-based fungicide or mango seed. Many brands that are available in the market, Total Force, Z-Force, and you need to use it every 2 weeks. Sometimes you need to use it every week in terms of curative, but for preventive you can use it every 2 weeks, especially when the weather is quite humid. Now, you don't just pile the watermelons on the ground. It's important. This is the business side. So I think the first thing to do is to grade the sizes by harvest. So you need to make sure that they are uniform. The large ones, you patch them, the medium sizes and small sizes instead of mixing the pile. Then you can consider mini processing. mini processing in order to be able to increase the value. If you are near like a city campus, city or campus area, you don't just sell the watermelons, you can slice them, put them in transparent PET bowls, clean things. You can pay 3 times the price. So ready to heat, compliment watermelon, fruit juice, or delicacy. Branding using small stickers can help for you to be able to build trust. So these are ways at which you can take advantage of business opportunities that surround the watermelon market. Understand that whether it is a pot you're using, or you're just using your backyard, or you're actually working on a hectare, a field, watermelon can fast-track profits in agriculture. But let me not answer. Let me know what is stopping you. Is it the cost of seeds? Is it the fear of pests? Share your thoughts in the comments about your experiences on watermelon farming. Ask your questions in the comments. I'll be checking them and giving you direct answers. So which pesticides or seed varieties is best for your area? We'll just see how we'll be able to make progress. Let's grow well together.